Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can make a bootable USB flash drive with the handy backup disaster recovery program. In the description of the video there will be links to programs from the video. I will launch the program and go to the website to download. I'll save it to my desktop. I'll go to the website with Rufus. Download the latest version. Starting the program. Choosing our disk image. I will change the scheme to MBR in order to cover more machines on which we will successfully boot. Press Start and wait. Everything worked out and you should have the same. Thanks for watching.